Hi everyone, it's Andy Owings with tomorrow's Pound Today, the Drum and Geometry Daily Forecast free symbol edition for pound dollar. Welcome. This is the forecast for Wednesday, June 30th, 2010. We didn't get filled short overnight. We were looking to get short here in the daily chart to the far right up into, what was it, I think 5175, somewhere right up in here. So we didn't get filled on that, and now we'll look to reset our short entry here at 5100, which sees the daily 5-3 down, right at the daily 6-1 down. This should be a pretty strong interim resistance zone into 5100. So we'll do that with a tight stop, 50 pip swing trading stop at 5150, and then a target for now of 4800. Wouldn't be at all surprised to see us head back down to 4800, but before you chase this short, if you don't get filled at 5100, I would be patient and stubborn and make it come fill your entry at 5100, because I think we're going to have some opportunities over the next several days to get filled somewhere in this general 5100 area. And the reason I think that is because when we look at the weekly chart here, we can see that we've got the monthly PL dot, which is in yellow right here as support. That's going to recalculate here in just a couple days when we start July. That's going to go down here like this as support into 150 basically. You've got the weekly envelope top right there in white also as support into 150. So you can see that when we look at that 150 zone over here in the daily chart, well, that's right here where the daily 5-2 6-1 support is sitting. So for day traders, if you're an experienced day trader and you see your hourly or your 15-minute charts rolling over, meaning finding a short-term bottom tonight, tomorrow into 150, probably don't hesitate to get long there if you're a day trader. I don't make specific day trading recommendations here for pound dollar. We do make specific day trading recommendations on the full forecast for gold, silver, oil, euro dollar, and all those, but on pound we just stick to the swing trading. But I'm only throwing out a couple of ideas for those of you that are day traders that want to look to be aggressive with pound dollar. As long as you're experienced and the leverage you want to use and all that is completely up to you, depending on your own risk tolerance and all of that. But I only point out that this could be a strong intraday support zone because of the weekly envelope top here in yellow and the monthly PL dot right in this general area. And so what this is going to do for our swing traders is probably cause the daily chart here to roll over into this general area, and there'd be the daily envelope top. This would be the daily PL dot. Let's go ahead and make that green so we're nice and authentic looking. And then you can see the daily envelope bottom will probably roll over like this. And so I wouldn't be surprised to see the daily chart here stuck between, say, 5100 resistance and 50 support before eventually breaking out of that and heading back down here to 4800, where at 4800 we may very well be looking to buy the pound dollar, because over here on the weekly you can see we've got that weekly 5-3-6-5 support into the weekly PL dot refresh zone here right in that general area. That would also put the weekly 5-9 down if we did come down this week. That would give us a weekly 5-9 up, here at the weekly envelope bottom for next week. So 4800, a long story short here for those of you that, I don't want to confuse anybody who doesn't follow drum and geometry. I know there are a lot of you that don't follow drum and geometry, but basically the point here is that 14800 should be very strong support here and resistance up into this weekly current 5-2 down right there, but then also the weekly live 5-2, 5-1 into this general area should continue to make 5100 very, very strong, if not 5150. So over the next 7 to 10 days, I wouldn't at all be surprised to see price, meander between say 4950 and 5150, and then if 4950 breaks, we should be headed to 4750, 4800, absolutely, and then we'll just take it from there. If you want, listen to the quarterly, monthly outlook that we published on Sunday night. It'll give you a lot of insight if you're new. I know we get a lot of new people every day, so I just want to point out you can go to the Sunday archives and check that out for the pound dollar longer term outlook that we do for Q3 and for the upcoming month of July. All right, well, I can feel my voice deserting me here at the moment, so before I completely lose it, I'll sign off and wish everybody good trading, and we'll be back tomorrow with the forecast. And if anyone has any questions, please email me, andyowings@drumandgeometry.com. Thanks a lot.